Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Scam Advice Reports, and in today's video I will tell you is SUP3R5 scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this SUP3R5 review will help you in deciding the answer to this question. That is, should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end, as I will share the way to get your money back. We have reviewed and searched on other search engines and found that SUP3R5 website delivers on it two products that are gaming consoles and controllers. The site offers to open the deals of pre-order on its site from January 2021. This will be applied to both PS5 and the controller that is available on the site. The website is popular in the United States. You can pay for your purchase on this website using PayPal, credit and debit cards. However, the website does not display any information about shipping time. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now, let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So, we came to know that SUP3R5 website has a valid HTTPS connection. The domain of the website was registered on 30th December 2020. Further, we came to know that there is no about us page on the website. Pricing for the products on the website seems reasonable. Also, the website offers only an email address in the name of the contact information. Looking for the return policy, we came to know that the website does not support any return. Guys, if you have any experience of the return or refund policy of this website, then share it with us in the comment box given below. The website does not display any order tracking page, but it has a newsletter subscription option. There are no customer reviews for the products of this website. Overall content quality of the website is average. This website is also present on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Giving a final verdict, I would declare SUP3R5 to be currently unreliable, as it has a new domain name. However, for its legitimacy, it is too new to be judged on. So, to get your money back wasted on scam websites, check the link given in the description area. Read those articles and follow instructions given there to get your money back. Guys, we always welcome and value your opinions, queries or suggestions. So, feel free to share your thoughts about the website in the comment box given below. Share this video with your friends and family. Please give a big fat thumbs up to the video and click on the subscribe button to get more informative videos in the future. Thank you for giving your valuable time and have a beautiful day.